Da 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 da! Talking shite reviews. Right, today I'm going to chat about the Black Diamond Spot 325 headlamp. It's lightweight and slimline, weighing in at 86 grams and powered by 3 AAA batteries. This little beauty cost me about $70 Australian and is supposedly waterproof for over 1 metre for at least 30 minutes, but to be honest, I haven't tested this feature out yet.
What do I love about this headlamp?
When it comes to lighting options, you are a little bit spoilt with the Black Diamond Spot 325. Settings include full strength that fully powers the larger 2 of the 3 bulbs, dimming, strobe when you double click the top button, and red night vision. There is also a handy lock mode, engaged through holding down the top 2 buttons until the battery meter flashes. This stops the batteries from being drained on standby when in your pocket. Ah yes, the battery meter, a 6 setting gauge that indicates when your headlamp is running out of juice. This is really handy, especially if you're doing multi-day hikes. Another quality feature I often forget to use is the power tap. This is located on the other side of the battery meter. A couple of taps powers the headlamp to full capacity without having to hold down the top button.
What would I change about this headlamp?
The only issue I've found with this headlamp is how difficult the back is to remove when replacing the batteries. Now I don't know whether I have weak thumbs or whether the positioning next to the headband clip makes it super awkward, but I always struggle to remove the back. Obviously this is not ideal if the batteries die on a night. I reckon a huge improvement would be to offer an alternative that could be charged through a USB connection, and this would obviously cut down on battery waste as well. All in all, I score this headlamp 5 out of 5. It's lightweight, durable and has a solid battery life, even when set to full capacity. The handy power meter also helps you to keep prepared. Its downsides are the tricky to remove back casing, its price point, it's not the cheapest, and the fact it uses battery power. I feel a USB option would cut down on waste and replacement costs, especially if the torch could be recharged using a portable battery pack. Hit subscribe for more content on camping gear reviews, backpacking and immigration advice.